Welcome back to Outdoors Adventures and Survival. Hope everybody's doing good. Been doing some walking, some other stuff. I need to get some more walking in before it gets dark. Look at that right down. That's a pretty sight, ain't it? Beautiful sight right yonder. Okay, I just heard knocking again. We're gonna drive up. I know driving ain't the. No, I was thinking we're gonna walk. We're freaking walking. We're gonna walk. Oh, I just heard something in the other direction. Sun's about to go down in the west right yonder. What's the temperature? See if that thing has changed now. Let's see, I'm 53. Let's see, I'm 55. Only thing working right on that right now is probably the compass. It's got to adjust what it is. Because it's been spot on money here lately. Let me put this down. We'll go walking. Go back. The sun right yonder. I heard knocking back this way. I'm going to get me a gimbal. I think that's what you call them, gimbals. It's a stabilizer. You can actually walk and it don't even vibrate, move, all the other mess. This road hasn't seen nobody in, I don't know, forever. Look like, so tell them what we might come across. Hey, I might go back and get my truck. Cause there's a sign on that right yonder. Don't you hear that? That sign on it is part of these lands out here. But anyhow, there's a road right there. Gotta be. There's a reason why that sign's there. Usually they're on a tree. We're gonna pull up and go this way and I'm gonna see about it. Hold on to your drawers. Your underwears and everything else. I call them drawers. I just heard knocking behind me. Woo! I just done that. Y'all know that. But anyhow, check this out. Either a Sasquatch or hollaback. Somebody that direction. It's going like, what the where was that? We're gonna go back this way. Now hold on to your drawers. The world. Huh. Let me turn you around. Right here, something's been hitting against a tree. And it busted up the limb. There's pieces of tree here. They busted. Pieces there busted. Piece there busted. Busted. And no, there is no tire tracks on this road. Because this road is ancient. There ain't never been nobody on it till the wind. Let's go back. Let's go back to the truck here. We're going to drive up and see if that really is a road. Might be people knocking over there and doing whatever. Knocking back like, you just hear that? It's a Sasquatch. Knock back, man. Knock back. That's what the other fella said. Knock, hit the tree, knock back and see what it does. And we like playing back and forth, and we like, oh, no, that's a Sasquatch. That's what I'm saying. And they like, oh, did you hear that? That's a Sasquatch. We all, you know what I'm saying. Sounds funny, don't it? To me it does. Let's go. We'll go here and see if this is the road. Come on. Hold your drawers, I told you. We got food in here. My, it's like a 4-wheeler trail, if that. Because I'm wondering if I can get my truck through here. No, we're going to have to use my truck like a bulldozer today. I'll just get another one. I need about 3 of these in the yard anyhow. Oh crap, I just hit something back there. I ran over something. I hope it wasn't a Sasquatch. They were going to get peed off. I ran over one of their relatives, wouldn't they? No, not my cousin. That's what one of them. Y'all check this out. That's what one of the Sasquatches said to the other Sasquatch. No, not my cousin Willie. No, no, for sakes. No, for Lord's sake, not my cousin Willie. He's been a good Sasquatch. And he don't deserve this crap. He just got killed. I just run over him. Pretend like. He's like, no, not my cousin Willie. He's the most friendliest Sasquatch around. He ain't like hurt humans like we have. You know what I'm saying? Now go along with me. Go along with me. Look, that's a Sasquatch right there. Oh, look. Oh my mercy. There he is. I'm playing. Yeah, we're gonna go up there in a little bit. Hold on, y'all drawers, okay? Panties and all that stuff. We did come out on the road, as you can see. Not duh, man. I see the road. Okay. I don't see people down this way though. That's the thing about it. So it wasn't people that was knocking. Let's go up this mountain here. There it is. This sun leveled out now. 47. I told you it takes it a little bit to do its thing. Let's see here. We're going northeast and it's 47. I knew it was about in the 40s. Road right there. We would have came out on that road. And would have had to take right or left. All kind of tracks down there. I'm gonna turn around, mark that road. Okay, we're gonna cut off right here. Let's see what here. Tracks there. Oh, that's a horse. Horse tracks. That horse was tired, wasn't he? He was dragging that foot. Plane back this way. But we at 9 minutes and something. We'll put a piece of this on there. If I can get it out the thing. Yeah, get back to what we were talking about. Get back to what we were talking about. If it was a Sasquatch. Put my glove on, okay? Before I can talk to y'all. If it was a Sasquatch, He's like, "Y'all, cousin Willie. Top of cousin Willie. He's been a good squatch. He hasn't hurt no one. He hasn't killed no one's livestock. He's not even eating no one's chickens. Why do people have to do Uncle Willie like that? Right down that road right over there, I run over, it was a small log, about big as my leg or bigger. Creeped over it. But yeah, just saying if it was a Sasquatch. That poison nut. But that's what I heard something that way for real. I heard the stories now. They call them stories. You know how that goes. If you're just being yourself, nonchalant, put that in your books. Nonchalant, put that in your books. Being yourself, out and outdoors, what, raking leaves, putting, go make a fire. Best being yourself, not even paying no attention to, well, them's more likely the times you're going to hear something or see something. Because remember, that's a lot of the times people are like, what the, you know? And people ask later, they're like, but didn't you get a video or picture? Well, the reason why they didn't is so freaked out. So that's the reason why they didn't get it. So yeah, it's getting chilly out here. It's dropping in this. Freak was that? Y'all hear it? Y'all like, if you'll shut up, we can hear it properly. Listen, listen. Something walking over there in that woods. Something big over that way. Yeah, there's something over that way. I need to turn y'all around if I can. Let's see if I can turn you around. Let me see. The world. It's bad again. Doggone it. This is bloopers beyond bloopers, people. Listen. I'm gonna let out a hoop, okay? Woo! Now if somebody's around like a mile away and it's echoing through the forest, they're like, what the frick was that? And his friend's like, you're, you hear that? Oh, it's dropping out here. Ooh, I hope I got that on film. Y'all hear that? Listen, listen. When I put my thumb up, that's when the noise is, okay? Hold on. Look for my thumb. If it'll do it again. Remember, when I put my thumb up like this, I just heard a sound, okay? Oh, but I got that on there. I haven't heard it anymore. Right now. That was me. Y'all like, duh. Somebody at a campsite somewhere way off. Like, oh, you just hear that, boy? And he's like, his friends like, what? What was that? He said, a Sasquatch. Hadn't you seen them movies? Haven't you seen them movies, boy? There's a flippin' Sasquatch. What? Have we just encountered a Sasquatch? Whoop. Did we just encounter a Sasquatch? Whoop. There's a plane going over. It's drowning out everything that plane is. But we're going to end it right here. Y'all check out my other videos. I got one I'm putting up about the aliens. I'm playing. I ain't putting up no aliens. Yeah, I'm putting up one about the compass. So go check it out, all right? Oh, my battery's going dead on here. So go check that one out. Check y'all out next time. Outdoors Adventures and Survival. Over and out. Peace, everyone. Love each other. Love yourself and love each other, like I always say. Peace out. See you next time. Keep squatching. Keep loving one another. Peace out.